Hello everyone, I welcome you all to another exciting and learning session by the Powerhouse Ideas. Just like the regular videos on Nifty 50 analysis, in this video also we will be conducting an entire analysis of Nifty 50, what can be the probable movement tomorrow and what can be targets and what can be the trading strategies. So before starting with the video, let us talk about what we discussed yesterday. In the yesterday video, I clearly discussed that my bias for the trading is bullish because Nifty has been forming some bullish patterns, Nifty has been forming a bullish trend, but my bias is very much bullish. But I clearly said that market is very overstretched and I don't see market moving up without creating a retracement. ठीक है, ये बात हुई, मार्केट ने उसको आज फॉलो किया. Then I also said if market opens gap up somewhere over here and spends time near 16,500, this level was provided to you yesterday only, and I said if market spends time near 16,500 and gives some bullish patterns, then we can enter into a CE. Market exactly behaved at the same key level which we discussed yesterday. But guys, over here there is a very important learning. When I say 16,500, you need to consider the entire price action, not the exact amount of 16,500, because this way you will be keep waiting for the market to come to a level and the market will never come to a level. There is always an area of rejection or support. So this is something which you need to always remember. ठीक है, तो मार्केट ने एक बाउंस लिया 16,500 के लेवल से. Then if you remember, I also said that we will be going for a PE only below 16,500 level. वो पूरे दिन में कहीं पे भी नहीं हुआ, लेकिन I received some of the comments saying that over here there was an opportunity for PE. For them, I will say that the PE opportunity was here also, over here also. Then we had a call opportunity over here, over here we had a call opportunity. Analyzing like this after the market has taken a move is very simple. This I discussed yesterday also, that we are not into post-mortem analysis. We are into pre-analysis before the market opens and try to judge like what can be the probable movement. And taking a Nifty trade, taking a PE trade over here will be totally against the principles of trend trading. We are trend traders, we trade with the trend, so we need to identify what is the trend. Simply taking a PE trade at a resistance does not mean that every time you can be profitable like this. You need to be disciplined enough, you need to be following your setup every time if you want to be profitable in market. Because once, twice or thrice you can be lucky, you cannot be lucky 100% of the time. ठीक है, चलो अब बात करते हैं. मैंने ये भी बात की थी कि अगर मार्केट 16,500 के आसपास आती है तो हम सी ले सकते हैं. मार्केट में एग्जैक्टली ही वही हमें देखने को मिला आज. ठीक है, एंड इसके अलावा मैंने आपको ये कहा था कि गैप अप के चांसेस बहुत कम लग रहे हैं बिकॉज मार्केट इज ऑलरेडी ओवरस्ट्रेच. तो ये तो बात हुई कल की. येस्टरडे एनालिसिस वेंट क्वाइट वेल एंड फ्रॉम द लास्ट 6-7 days इट्स गोइंग वेल. ठीक है, तो लेट अस एनालाइज दैट व्हाट कैन बी द प्रोबेबल मूवमेंट टुमारो. For that, let us move to the hourly time frame and see what are the key levels. Yesterday, I gave you some levels. Let me reset the chart first. Yeah. I gave you some levels, and the level which I gave you where the market reacted twice was today's high, or you can say 16,650 ka level. You can watch yesterday's video to see that this level was given yesterday only, and the market reacted exactly at that area. Now, there are two school of thoughts over here. One is that the market is creating a double top over here. We won't be considering this as a double top till the time the neckline is not broken. So don't anticipate trade. Okay? It is weakness at this level. It is a resistance at this level, but we won't consider it till the time the breakdown happens. So the levels remain more or less same. 16,650 is the major resistance, which is proven today also. 16,800 is the next resistance. We have an immediate support of 16,500 which worked well today. Then we have a support of 16,400. I hope you all are having these levels on your chart. Now let us see what market can do tomorrow. Okay. Something I noticed today was very interesting on the chart is, if you can also see that whenever the market approached 16,500 level, when it approached over here, it created a low somewhere over here. Then it again approached that area, but the low created was slightly higher. Then it again approached that area, and then the market is again bouncing from an area which is slightly higher. Means there is certainly a demand creation at this level. People are buying at this level. That is for sure. So 16,500 happens to be a very important level tomorrow also. So let us analyze it further and see what can happen and what will be our strategy. One of the strategy remains the same, that if market closes below 16,500 tomorrow, we immediately won't be sitting into a PE. We won't be. The reason for that is market is overall falling from today's high, that is 16,700. Market has already fallen 200 points in the last half an hour or 45 minutes. So we want a pullback if the market has to go beyond this level. Okay, without that it will be very risky. It can be reversed from any position. So we won't be immediately sitting into a PE if market opens below this area or opens flat and directly goes below this area. If the market moves up, now first scenario can be if the market opens flat and it starts moving up. This area is very important area for tomorrow. If the market moves up and creates some rejections over here, some bullish bearish engulfing patterns over here, then one PE trade can be tested only with a single lot. Stop loss will be above this area. The logic behind this is that this area has been working as a support. Now there are every chances that this area will work as a resistance. The first target in this case will be the today's low and this trend line low, which I just formed for you. So first target shall be this, and if in case market still remains bearish over here, creates some bearish patterns without any consolidation, then we can hold the trade for lower levels. ठीक है, but उसके chances थोड़े से कम है because market is overall in a range of 16,500 से लेके 16,700. ठीक है, रेंज में आपको आइडेंटिफाई करके बताऊं तो ये ऐसे एक मार्केट ने रेंज बनाई हुई है. ठीक है, एक मार्केट रेंज में है और हम बात करें तो इट्स ओवरऑल अ बिग फ्लैट पैटर्न एज वेल. ठीक है, इट्स अ बिग फ्लैट पैटर्न, तो कहीं की मूवमेंट आ सकती है. वी नीड टू बी वेरी मच प्रिपेयर्ड, वी नीड टू बी वेरी मच प्रिपेयर्ड विद आवर प्लान. सो अभी तो हमने बात की कि मार्केट फ्लैट खुल के ऊपर चलना शुरू करती है एंड इस लेवल से, इस की एरिया से, पूरा लेवल आइडेंटिफाई करके इस एरिया से आपको कुछ रिजेक्शंस देखने को मिलती हैं, देन वी कैन गो फॉर अ स्मॉल पीई ट्रेड. एंड पीई शुड बी लेवल टू लेवल बुकिंग. यू शुड नॉट let greed come over you. You have to book it because the trend is overall positive only right now. If the market opens flat and start moving downwards, till the time it does not cross this PE, we won't be sitting into it. We want a close below this, then a rejection somewhat similar which we are expecting over here also, and then for a downward movement to 16,400. Okay, so this is scenario number one, that what if market opens flat? What if market opens gap down? Till the time market does not open gap down below 16,500, we are not going for a PE trade. But if the market opens gap down and start moving downwards, again we have to wait for the retest. Logic remains same, that market does not move in this way. Even if the market falls continuously from this, we won't be taking any trade because discipline is very important. We need to follow a setup. Now what if market opens gap down and start moving up? Suppose for example market opens somewhere over here and start consolidating in this area. If market creates a pattern somewhat like this, let me draw it for you. If the market comes over here and starts consolidating and starts giving some bullish signals, then we can go for a PE trade because overall we are in a range. ठीक है, नोट कर लिया करो सारे सिनारियो because I try to give you all the scenarios which I can anticipate and which I will be like behaving in the market. If market opens gap up above this area, अगर below this area तो we will wait for the rejections over here, just like we did in the case of flat opening. But if market opens gap up above this area and spends 10 to 15 minutes above this area, we can take a CE trade for the immediate target of this, that is today's high. and if there is enough bullishness left over here, that is market does not give any rejection and show bullish patterns, we can continue the trade targeting 16,800. Okay, so this is all about the analysis for Nifty 50, which can be the probable movement for tomorrow. And I hope, like in the last 7 days, we have been predicting the movement quite well. We will be able to predict the movement again in a well manner tomorrow also, and hope it's a profitable day tomorrow for all of you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care.